Happy Kadayawan, Dabawenyos, magandang gabi Pilipinas. Welcome po sa isang episode na naman ng inyong programa. Ako po si Harvey Lanticse.
Mabuhay og madayaw kaninyong tanan. Ako si Hannah Mage Picsho, kini ang Basta Dabawenyo.
Happy Kadayawan, Dabawenyos, no? Habang ina-enjoy natin ang mga selebrasyon. Ngayong buwan na to, andito pa rin po ang Basta Dabawenyo upang magbigay ng mga updates and diskusyon sa mga nangyayari sa ating bansa sa mga panahong ito. And of course, makakasama pa din po natin ang acting mayor ng Davao City, Mayor Baste Duterte.
Good
evening, Mayor.
Good evening.
Happy Kadayawan, Mayor.
Happy Kadayawan po.
Happy Kadayawan.
Right. Hannah and Mayor, no? Kadayawan celebration is still up. But despite that, maraming nangyari last week, maraming pinag-usapan sa bansa natin, sa politika, lalong-lalo na doon sa national, no? Ang una na nga dyan, Mayor, itong naging kind of expose, no? Ni President Marcos. Last week, Mayor, in a press conference, President Marcos revealed or showed to the members of the media a list of DPWH contractors, Mayor, allegedly, no, na hugat 20% of the entire flood control project napunta lang sa 15 contractors sa bansa, Mayor. And according to him, he's showing that list because it's very alarming. Out of the 545 billion na public funds allotted for flood control projects nationwide since 2022, 100 billion of that napunta sa 15 contractors lamang. So this made headlines, Mayor, pinag-usapan. Kasi nga, this is kind of a follow-through doon sa SONA statement niya about contractors nga sa mga anomalous projects, guni-guni projects. And yun nga, Mayor, no? And then maraming reaction at komento about this. There were 15 contractors sa pinangalanan. Some were allegedly linked to certain personalities, Mayor, including people in politics and even a member of the House of Representatives, Mayor. Yun yung allegation. So, etong pag-release ni Presidente ng listahan, Mayor, anong masasabi mo dito, Mayor? Was there, kasi ngayon maraming nagtatanong niya na, is this just for a show? Or talaga mga habulin niya to? What do you think, Mayor?
Hindi yan. Hindi yan habulin. Kasi kung kinasuhan niya na yan sana kung talagang ano yan, totoo yung mga sinasabi niya. Kinasuhan niya na yan. Diretso na yan. Bakit hindi mo ba may takutin mo, tapos i-negotiate mo. Di ba? So, wala yan. Knowing him, and mga, man yan, sila lang yan, mga oligarko. I think he just want to, bring these people to the negotiating table para mahawakan niya. Yan naman yung ginagawa ng mga yan. Wala man yan, pero yung kasuhan niya talaga, wala. Malabo yan. Sila lang man yan.
If I may add, Mayor, no, tama ka. Kasi when he was asked kung sino, if he has names, kung sino itong involved, Mayor, his response was that, we are not accusing anyone of anything yet. However, it gives us an idea of what and how this has been conducted.
Kaya nga, alam niya na parang sinasabi niya, ina-admit niya kasi na may ebidensya siya. Di ba? May hawak siya. Ba't di mo na lang yan, kasuhan yung mga yan para matapos na. Pinapahaba pa natin ito para makita talaga ng tao kung totoo ba yan. Or again, baka ginagawa mo lang platform mo na ganun ka and yet wala ka namang totoong ginagawa talaga. Ini-execute na plano against these people. Parang yung sinabi mo, totoo, nangyayari. Parang inamin niya lang na may problema. Tapos wala na. Okay na. Ano naman to?
Tama ka, Mayor. Actually, there were same sentiments gaya ng sinabi mo, Mayor. No? Na yun nga, bakit hindi na lang diretsuhin, di ba? Kung sa Bisaya, paagtangon pa. Because, especially after his very bold and strong pronouncement sa SONA niya na mahiya naman kayo, na parang galit talaga siya, Mayor.
Kaya sa mga nakikipagsabwatan upang kunin ang pondo ng bayan at nakawin ang kinabukasan ng ating mga mamamayan, mahiya naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.
Sorry, Mayor, magpa-elaborate lang ako when you said na he just wants them to bring them to the negotiating table. Parang to get their attention lang, Mayor, na mag-usap tayo, parang ganun.
Siguro, kung walang kaso talaga na ma-file si BBM. Kasi, para saan yun kung hindi siya magkaso? Na may hawak siya na ebidensya, may pa-expose sa kunwari, di ba? Tapos kung serious ka talaga, kung gusto mong may ipakita ka na resulta or yung tapang-tapang niya, mahiya naman kayo, o di, dapat tuluyan yan. So what's next?
Correct.
Yeah, gagawa na naman ng ibang kalokohan yan. Tingnan mo, tapos iba na naman yung pag-uusapan, mawawala na naman to. Ganun na naman yan. Yun naman talaga. They've been doing that from the start.
Tama. Pero, yun nga.
Gusto nila, may issue ngayon, tapos ililibing nila yung mga previous issues. Di ba? So, until people might forget, alam mo yun, di ba? Ano ba yung sinimulan? Yung pagsimula pa lang nito, yung People's Initiative. Di ba? Di pa natin wala, di ba? Ngayon, gusto niya charter change talaga eh, no?
Pasok na naman usapan sa chat siya, Mayor.
Wala kasi, hindi nila ma-impeach si VP. Tingin ko, ayaw nga talaga bumaba. Yun naman talaga sabi ni PRD before. Ayaw bumaba. Sinabi niya yan una yata sa Cebu. Parang ayaw bumaba. Maisog na rallies natin. Ewan ko.
Tama. Ito nga sa usapin nitong mga contractors, Mayor, kasi nadadrag na itong mga pangalan ng mga congressman. This somehow solidifies ngayong itong exposes recently ni Mayor Magalong, right, Hannah?
Yes. So, in relation to this Mayor, si Mayor Magalong naman, he was also interviewed multiple times regarding this expose, no? And he has also said in one of his interviews na he's willing to cooperate. If he will be called, he's willing to present his evidence as a resource person. So,
At kung ialok sa inyo itong posibleng komite, independent committee na mag-iimbestiga dito sa flood control projects natin, tatanggapin niyo po, Mayor?
Oo. Hindi. Yes, kasi nga nag-volunteer ako, Igan, di ba?
Yes,
Kaya lang,
yes.
alam mo, ang intention ko doon is just to emphasize na kailangan third party
Tama.
ang mag-imbestiga, independent body. Pero nagsalita rin naman na si Yusek Castro na hindi naman nila ako kailangan. Kaya na raw nila yun.
So we've also talked about him before, Mayor, in this podcast about his advocacy against anti-corruption. What do you think about this, Mayor, about his stand?
Wala. Tingin ko, takot talaga yung mga congressman. Takot yung mga congressman. Kasi, hinamon niya naman, di ba? Na ipatawag siya.
Yes.
Correct. Ang sabi niya, Mayor, he's waiting for a lead agency to investigate. And then, because he has evidences daw, Mayor, now, pwede niyang i-submit.
So, hintayin na lang talaga natin kung ano to. Kasi, it's good that andyan na yung pinag-uusapan na yun.
Correct.
Pinag-uusapan na. And the President mismo.
Tama. But yun nga ang tanong, Mayor, ganun sabi mo, after nitong pronouncements and strong statements, what's next? Kung talaga mang proceed to an investigation, may kakasuhan, or ililibing na naman with another issue?
Kung mawala yan, sigurado yan, nag-usap-usap na yung mga yan, tapos na yan. Kung nawala lang, parang wala lang.
Tama. Yan ang dapat abangan, Hana.
Oo. Kasi presidente naman siya. Pwede na magkasuhan yan. Maghanap siya ng paraan. Diba?
Tama.
In the same media conference then, Sir Harv, si Mayor, he also presented the new website.
The president, no?
Yes, the president also presented the Sumbong sa Pangulo na website, Mayor, in which they will be listing all the flood control projects in the country.
Website. Kasuhan mo na, diretso. Website ka, bro. Daming drama. Kasuhan mo para matapos. Di ba? Kung may findings ka, ebidensya na yan sa korte. Ano hinihintay mo?
Tama.
Wala, I'm sure, mawawala lang din yan, promise. Mawawala lang din yan. Wala naman talaga yung tao na yan.
Hopefully talaga hindi matabunan.
Hopefully. Because it's a big problem.
And that's what we're talking about it
Yeah.
also. No?
Kaya nga, okay nga sana yun. Okay yan talaga.
And more personalities are speaking up about this. Not only Mayor Magalong, other senators are also speaking up. But yun nga, we will have to wait as to the investigation talaga. Isa pa yan, Mayor, na concern ngayon kasi sino ba ang mag-iimbestiga? Ito, in an interview for the part of the sa House, no, presidential son, Floor Leader Sandro Marcos, when he was asked if they will initiate an investigation, sabi niya, to quote, he said, "Why would a body investigate itself? I think it would be wise and prudent for us to wait as to what the executive has to say and what their actions are with regard to the president's speech in the SONA. I think we shouldn't get ahead of ourselves." But he's also agreeing, Mayor, na dapat third party daw. Hindi daw sila dapat ang imbestiga. Kasi sila daw mismo allegedly ang inaakusahan niya. Some members of the House. What do you think about that?
Tama naman. Wala siyang tiwala sa sarili nila. Tama naman yun. Tingin niya, ganun kadumi talaga yung nila. Yung bakod nila. Oh. So, kasi sa mga statements kasi na lumalabas, alam mo yung, they are all acknowledging the problem. Even, kasi galing na sa presidente, sinabi niya na meron talaga eh. Tapos, a lot of statements are coming out from different politicians. This is actually happening. So, enough na yun. So that the people would know na andyan. Kasi noon, sinasabi na natin to eh. Dito sa palabas na to eh. Di ba? Kaya yung mga congressman na yan, hindi talaga yan, walang, yung stand, yung position nila sa politics, paiba-iba. It's because of yung pera dyan that's going around sa Congress. So yun, isa dyan yung flood control projects na kung hindi siguro substandard, baka wala talagang tinayo. Na anyway, okay na, hayaan muna natin sila. Tingnan natin kung hanggang saan talaga yung commitment nila, ang presidente, the other parties, political parties, itong mga congressman, kung ano ba talaga yung isasagot nila sa issue. Tingnan natin. Pag nawala to, well, dalawa lang talaga yan. Either, isa lang talaga yan. Nagkasundo na sila.
Naareglo.
Naareglo na.
Kaya we will have to continue to speak up and to,
kasi
discuss
'di ba si Mayor Magalong sinasabi niya na pwede niya may evidences siya. Si Marcos, he wouldn't be saying that kung wala siyang pagbabasihan sa sinasabi niya. Hindi niya naman pwede ituturo yung mga congressman or yung sinasabi niya na may ganong contractors na who got the budget. Tingnan natin.
Correct.
Tingnan natin. Sabi nila alam nila di ba? They're actually admitting in front of everybody that they have evidence against these people. So, ano yung sunod na gagawin mo? So, you have to file a case.
Investigahan ko. Bigyan daw ng time pa for them to comment. Bibigyan pa daw ng time to comment yung mga list of contractors. There is always a way for them to give their comments.
Basta ako, tingin ko, they want to pull them, into the negotiating table. That's how it is. Kasi sila lang, mga oligarko lahat yan. Mga oligarko lahat yan.
Correct.
But as you've said kanina, Sir Harvey, there are a lot of names that are being connected with the flood control projects na expose, including the Senate President himself. Si Senator Cheese Escudero din, Mayor, there was an article that connected him to one of the contractors, and the article said na nakatanggap daw siya ng 30 million from one contractor for his senatorial campaign. And Senator Cheese described this as a demolition job. Patungkol din pa rin daw to sa how he reacted to the impeachment of VP Sara. What do you think about this, Mayor?
Sino nagpalabas nung
It was a Rappler article,
It
right?
was a Rappler article.
story.
Yeah.
Yun, parang for him, it's an orchestrated smear campaign talaga kasi immediately after the list, siya ang unang pangalan na breaking news eh. Linking to him.
Yes.
So he said,
Ano yan? Yeah. Same. It's the same. They want these people on the negotiating table. Diba?
tama.
They're killing a lot of birds with one
Pwede,
stone.
tama.
Parang ganun, no?
Otherwise, tuluyan ka namin dito sa issue. Let's talk. Not like that.
Because it was also Senator Cheese himself who said na layunin daw nilang patalsikin siya bilang Senate President upang muling maisampa ang impeachment complaint laban kay VP Sara.
Ano yun?
Layunin daw nilang patalsikin siya bilang Senate President
Sino
upang
nagsabi
muling
nito?
si Senator Cheese in one of his
Layunin nila patalsikin. So, sino ba yung against sa sino ba yung against
Sa pag-archive.
in archiving the impeachment? Who were these senators?
Well, based on the voting, Hontivero, Soto, Aquino, Pangilinan. Lacson abstained eh. So,
Yes.
hindi na po.
So, 'di ba, sinabi ni Chase, 'di ba, dahil sa impeachment, alam niya sino 'yan.
For sure.
And tingnan mo with Magalong and the others and itong presidente, aligned sila ngayon
What do you mean align here?
about the issue.
Okay.
Na tinitira nila itong So I think baka talaga totoo yung may nagkakaproblema yung si Martin and Malacanang.
Correct. Kasi
Hindi sila nagkakasundo.
Ang punteriya naman, it seems, ang House.
Yes. And Senator Cheese also mentioned the Congress when he said, sinabi din niya, isinangkot din ni Senator Cheese ang Kamara sa kampanyang paninira sa kanya. So he has also mentioned the Congress talaga.
Anyway, tama ka Mayor. Grabe yung yung naging mga revelation on the roles of people. At least our assessment. Mayor, balikan ko lang bago natin tapusin tong usapan. Gusto ko i-bring up kasi may napag-comment din Mayor na yun nga, while the problem was really with the implementation, but the President himself signed the budget. So, kasi na-bring up po din niya Mayor, di ba? At the end of the day ba, labo-labo tayo, nagdedebate ba? Sino ba talagang pinaka-accountable dito? Kasi if you're the President, sabi mo, pwede mo namang sabihin, stop it. Tigil nyo yan.
Command responsibility
Correct.
niyan.
Correct. Parang ang sinasabi ng iba ngayon, damay ka din kasi ikaw naman ang who's supposed to look over the implementation. An agency under the office of the President. Tama ba?
It's true.
Diba?
Yes.
So,
And he's also the one who will be signing, di ba, sir? At the very end of all the process,
Yeah.
siya yung
the
last.
agency.
Yes.
The agency. We'll see. Gaya nga ng sabi ni Mayor, no? This is another storyline, another show that we will look forward to seeing the ending. But until now, pwede nga, it's very premature pa para pag-usapan, but the initial, the foundation has been laid, so we'll see saan ito papunta Mayor. Okay. So, moving on to another topic. Hannah, after this contractors issue, Mayor, the President signed the postponement of the barangay and SK elections, moving into 2026 and setting a new term limit for barangay officials, Mayor, 4 years na. Do you have any comment on this, Mayor? Do you think it's better that way?
Kasi kakaupo lang ng mga Pero I do not know how it would benefit Malacanang kasi halos lahat naman ang ginagawa nitong mga to para so alam mo yun, I do not want to think about it anymore, talk about it. Basta para sa akin okay naman kasi kakaupo lang ng mga barangay captains natin.
Correct. Just last year. Last year na nagkaroon ng election. So yun nga. That's breaking news. No? Last week, the BSKE has been moved to 2026 and the new term limit has been set to 4 years na with 3 straight terms. Ayun, Mayor, another topic relating to the budget, Mayor, ito din, the Department of Budget and Management has turned over the NEP, National Expenditure Program for 2026, amounting to 6.793 trillion, Mayor. This is 7.4 higher than 2025. But ang pinag-usapan dito, Mayor, itong sa budget nga, itong sa NEP, no, sa proposal, is the confidential funds. Pumasok na itong usapan, Mayor. Kasi sa proposal, sa NEP, 10 billion ang confidential fund na hinihingi ng Office of the President. At sa OVP, Mayor, walang conflict funds. So, actually, pinag-usapan yan. Maraming nag-comment dyan, Mayor. So, tama nga, oo nga. Ang laki-laki ng confidential fund nyo. Kasi di ba, Mayor, that's your stand, as, even before.
Bangag talaga. Bangag. Bangag pa. Di ba? Tapos, ginagawa nilang issue yung
125.
wala, bangag talaga yung mga tao na yan. Hayaan mo na.
So, that's the last topic, Mayor, for national. Alas, may gusto ka pang pag-usapan, Mayor, because these were the headlines last week. No, gusto lang natin isingit. Ayaw sana natin pag-usapan, but these are things that we need to discuss, Mayor. Anything else? May observations ka ba recently, Mayor, sa national scene? National politics?
Wala naman, wala. Basta ano yan ngayon, sila yan mga nagre-repositioning yung mga politicians yan dyan sa national, on the national level. Kasi for 2028 2 years from now, filing of candidacy na. So, sobrang ikli na lang yan.
Speaking, Mayor, there was a survey also that came out, VP, still the top contender
For
the presidency. Hindi ko sure sino ang next, yung top 2 doon. Anyway, so, yun nga, baka nga, this is all part of a big...
Malayo pa yan, di pa natin malaman yan talaga.
2 years.
Pero basta isa lang talaga yan, pag tumahimik lahat yan, tas nawala to, nagkasundo na yung mga yan. Ganun lang yan. Kung walang action coming from the executive himself, tapos na yun, napag-usapan na nila. So, baka siguro, sunod na sasabihin, baka pinatawad niya na.
Forgive and forget.
Another thing that we should watch out for.
Correct, Han.
So the president's promises may sound nice, pero hopefully he follows through, Mayor.
Sumbong.
Hopefully.
Wala yan? Wala talaga yan? Puro lang naman press release talaga tong administrasyon na to ever since. Wala yan.
Actually, yung sumbong sa Pangulo site, Mayor and Sir Harbs, it's very similar to Davao City reports, don't you think?
Hindi naman sa nagmamayabang.
Ano yan?
It's similar to Davao City reports, Mayor.
Ano natin? PR stunt. Tama.
Yes. Everything. Salida na po.
Salida na po. How'd mo na sila na?
Anyway, so yeah, enough with the national discussion. Sana let's go local, Mayor. May gusto lang tayong pag-usapan, Mayor, dito sa Davao City. Kasi it made headlines also sa national, Mayor. Last week, there was an operation by the NBI Semro, Mayor. May ginawa silang raid dito sa Davao City, Mayor. And it's a Pogo Hub. Alleged Pogo Hub daw ang kanilang na-raid, Mayor, dito sa Davao. 8 Chinese nationals were arrested according to the report by the NBI. And they said that the operation was triggered because one of the homeowners nagreklamo, Mayor, regarding suspicious activities in that particular house. So, here comes the term Pogo again, then Mayor, and then Davao City. What are your thoughts on this one, Mayor?
May Pogo pa ba ngayon? Does PAGCOR still license these illegal offshore gambling platforms? It's just lagi nilang binabalik talaga yung Pogo na label. Yeah, because yun yung attack nila against the previous administration. You know? So, NBI, wala nang Pogo ngayon. Kung meron man, it's an illegal offshore gambling platform. They still want to call it Pogo and, Davao, whatever. Bahala kayo. Mag-aksaya kayo ng panahon kung gusto nyo.
Parang, yung sa tama ka, Mayor, no? They just really want to sustain using this term and to idikit yung Pogo to Davao City, then to Duterte. So, with that, Mayor, naisip ko lang. So, possibly, in the next days,
Maganda
next weeks,
nga,
meron na
imagination.
namang mahuhuli.
Maganda yung mga imagination talaga.
Oy,
Puro
congratulations.
mga
NBI.
bata.
Sige.
Puro mga bata. Yun. Bagay.
Tama. Creative minds. 90% creativity, 10% audience impact. But I think that's really the question, no? Or we're also following this, Mayor, kasi after that, wala nang update kung nagkaso ba talaga.
Pero maayo man. Hindi ko maayo na So wala may problema. Pero it's not Pogo anymore. Wala naman. No one is issuing a Pogo license. So don't be stupid. Use the proper term or proper label for that, because Pogo is not here anymore. It's a politically abused term for something, and ano ba? Mukay. Sa muka ni matawanan.
Grabe, sikat na naman kami. Headlines, national. Up to do. Anyway, thank you very much, Mayor. No, that's all the topics we have for today's episode, because it's Kadayawan, so we invite once again our fellow Davaoenos and our visitors also to visit Davao City, and we have a lot of events in store for you. You may check the Kadayawan sa Davao 2025 Facebook page for more info. Congratulations also to all the winners of Indak-Indak and Pamulak, Mayor. And Mayor, meron tayong mga some comments lang from netizens, no? But anyway, we have some comments, Mayor. One from Arlene Abong. This was about taxes, Mayor, tsaka government service. Ang kawawa yung FW na nag-ipon para sa pag-uwi. May pera pa sila, pero ito pa ang ginawa ng gobyerno. From Noemi Dedicatoria, Hana?
Ako, di gyud ko reklamo og dako tax, anad nako ana basta lang ibalik sa tawo through services, dili lang sa bulsa.
Dakog tax, kortahan ka.
Dako,
Tagay po na mo mga grasya di abi. May panis Noemi,
From Benji Bukongkito, this was about sa katong karsada, Mayor, nga gubon lang nila ba dali. Tinuod man ang guba nga karsada dili ayuhon. Ang tarong nga karsada gubon.
No, gina. Gina bitata mo. Jesus, Karon kanang mas ni grabe gina siya sukad nga paglingkod aning kuan. Mo lagi mga congressman grabing pakpak yun niya tong zona kay nimang ka mabuhat ni nila tanan madato gid sila kaayo karon gyud. Grabe na sila kanang pamawi nila mo na karon Ginoo grabe. Mura nakabuhi ba?
Lagi.
Oh.
Lastly, Hana.
From King Kong Cubs 9784, the politics in the Philippines is really funny, so it is high time to change the constitution to set a higher QS for the candidates highest position of the Philippines, more so sa legislative.
What's QS?
Qualifications?
Qualifications.
Qualification standards. Tama ba? Oh, yeah, okay lang man. Wala may problema nga kambyo ng constitution, but there should be no term extension for any incumbent official during that
Naog yun.
transition.
Bawat talaga. Elect new ones.
Yeah, walang problema if it's good for actually that goes along with the idea of changing the political system itself in constitution. It will pag pumalit tayo sa federal system, we have more autonomy on with governance sa mga local government units. Tapos devolution of powers, devolution of functions, lahat. So yung mga DPWH na yan, mawawala yan nasa local na yan. So mas transparent siya palagay ko because you just know the people who are there. Hindi siya centralized that the president has too much power. Tapos, hindi niya naman tinitingnan ng maayos yung sitwasyon. Unlike, pag nasa local lang yan lahat, kayo-kayo lang yan, mas, I think accountability will be, mas madali.
Tama ka, Mayor, no? So, yun nga, Mayor, I think the point I got there, itong devolution sana ng role ng DPWH, you give the discretion sa
Pero
mga
iiyak
projects.
talaga yan lahat ng congressman yan.
For sure. Mawawala sa kanila. They will no longer identify.
Iiyak yan. Sigurado yan.
Kasi pag i-devolve mo, it's the LGU who will now identify and allocate projects. And I think that just makes sense. Kasi it's the LGU who knows really the situation on the ground. Anyway.
Yung kasi, yung DPWH, kontrolado yan ng mga politiko. Or sino naglagay sa kanila dyan? Sino yung kaya magpatanggal, magpatalsik din sa kanila? Tapos, kung paano gagamitin yung pera, paano saan i-allocate, and how to implement it, doon yan hindi parang yung nangyari sa DSWD. 'Di ba? Instead of kita mo wala na daw ang budget for ayuda.
Wala na. Akap. Tapos na election. No need na.
Okay naman, nakapalit siya og 0.1% sa 0.7 from 0.6 ni Martin Romualdez. So, ako ang tanaw. Nga nagyapon. Di ba pag abot na rin, mga buot-buot na lang ba? Dili bitaw, do not let the implementing agency do their job. Wala na, sa leader na nila tanan lagi.
But possibly, Mayor, mas maniwala ako doon sa sinasabi mo. Baka nga, may hindi na pagkakaintindihan itong...
Di, nalagyan na block na interested karon 2028 na muna saba kina sila karon. And we know who they are. Banna ba? Positioning na.
Anyway, thank you, Mayor. Thank you sa lahat ng netizens natin na nag-comment. Continue on sharing your thoughts sa aming podcast and continue to share our episodes also. Mayor, just before we close, si Hannah meron daw kinasing-kasing for today.
Yes,
Before we go to
Mayor.
the greetings, Mayor.
If prutas ka sa kadayawan, unsa ka? Og ngano?
Durian.
Ngano man, Mayor?
Bot? Isog baho. Oh, balo.
Ikaw, sir.
More gid mo sud sa una gid.
Pumelo.
Ngano man?
Or dali pangitaon. Di ba, all year round, ang pumelo na?
Sige, sir. Ako kay
Go on.
Marang.
Sa English na marang.
Marang.
Nga no marang?
Kay favorite na ko Marang.
Okay.
Favorite na ko
Hindi mo
usap.
debate. Anyway, thank you
Okay.
very much, Hannah, for these questions. Thank you, Mayor.
Thank you, Mayor.
Mayor, meron lang tayong mga greetings, Mayor. A few greetings for our followers from you.
Happy ika-66 nga araw ng Santo Tomas, Davao del Norte. Hinaot nga malipayon ang inyong selebrasyon karong tuiga, padayon sa pagpalambo, padayon sa panagiusa, mabuhay mong tanan. Happy birthday, Neil Andre Cabardo. God bless you. Happy birthday, Ma'am Daryl Rosa Kibo, Principal 2 of Lingayao Elementary School of Manay, Davao Oriental. Iwan na to eh.
Thank you, Mayor. Mayor, personal greetings ni mo, Mayor.
Kung mama, kung papa, kung mga igsoon, kung mga anak, maura, o sa tanang mga taga Davao, mga Davaoenyo, tanang mga Davaoenyo. Happy kadayawan sa inyong tanan, enjoy lang mo.
Uy,
Og tuman mos balaod, ay mo patakaglabay sa inyong mga basura, ay mo panigarilyo, timan ni ato mga landmark ordinances, speed limit, liquor ban, gaging magayag ulo. Sige lang, enjoy usa mo kay kadayawan ron. Mabuhay mong tanan.
Uy, Mayor, dito kalimtan si Doc Miguel Baker.
Salamat dahil kang Dr. Miguel Baker of Baker Medical Aesthetics.
Thank you, Mayor, sa imong mga greetings. Hannah.
Sa mga viewers, no, happy kadayawan, and don't forget to subscribe and like all the CM Baste Duterte pages. And salamat kayo for always tuning in with Basta Dabawenyo. And also, I'd like to shout out my cousins, Isla, Sky, Aqua, ug Tita G, na kanunay nagkatanaw sa Basta Dabawenyo. Thank you so much. Maurato. Sir Arbs.
Ay, shout out din sa ating avid followers and viewers, Tio Moreno and Paulo Te. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. Gusto ko lang batiin ang aking mama. Happy birthday!
Happy
Ma.
birthday!
Happy birthday!
Enjoy ang rebandera. And of course, maraming salamat po muli sa lahat ng mga kababayan nating Pilipino na patuloy na tumututok sa ating programa. Lalong-lalo na po sa ating mga kababayang OFWs. Daghan salamat sa inyong tanan. Mayor, that's all for today's episode. Magkita-kita tayo ulit next week, Mayor. Pilipinas, maraming salamat sa muling pagtutok sa inyong programa. Ako po si Harvey Lanticse.
Ako si Hannah Mange Piccio. Ang disiplinadong Dabawenyo mahadlukon sa Ginoo. Ang disiplinadong Dabawenyo mo respeto sa balaod ug sa isig katao.
Matinahuron, mahigugmaon ug maisog. Happy Kadayawan, Basta Dabawenyo.